that's backwards. Closes very fast. This is the elevator at Miller Hall at Waynesburg University in Waynesburg, Pennsylvania. This was something older, is replaced with this Dover Oildraulic Impulse Marshall here at the basement. Has everything on the paneling on the sides, which is interesting. I'm guessing it might have a corner post configuration, even though it only has one set of door. Go up to 3. That door closes very quick. Here we go up. I'm guessing it's like traction, old traction. This is an older building. Here, 3. Just back on to 1. No foam. It's a basic Dover cab. It has fake wood grain handrails. It's weird. The panels don't even go all the way up. That's so strange. Here back at 1. Yeah, it's the same thing there. Oh yeah, this one has like holes in the back. Let's really touch the wiring kind of conduit.